Hi, I'm Josiah Mofat, and today we are going to talk about two prominent eye conditions, which are myopia and hyperopia. Before we even dive into it, we'll first talk about how unique our eye is. The eye must detect light in order to convert said light into an image. So for example, whenever I'm in a dark setting, which I am right now, boom! I'm now in a very, very dark place, and now my eye cannot even produce as much as sight as it's supposed to be. Now that I'm in a brighter place, we will now dive deeper into those 6 unique parts that our eye absolutely adores. Pupil, the cornea, the iris, lens, retina, and the optic nerve. And each of them has a special role in which it is designed to make our eyes see. When light passes through our eyes, each of the light gets refracted, and it refracts all the way to the focal point, or the optic nerve. But if you know what it means that the image will actually be upside down instead of upside up. Luckily, we have the optic nerve. Thank you, brain, for this. When all the information is now reached to the optic nerve will now send the information to the apicital lobe of your brain, which is in the back here. It will now flip the orientation back into upside up, where we will all achieve eyesight. But that's not why I'm here. I am here to talk about something more. Remember when I said about how the eye must be on the retina and nowhere else? Yeah, because if all else happens, the image will be formed incorrectly and will cause errors in your vision. And this is where I'm going to dive deep into those two prominent eye conditions, which is myopia and hyperopia. So we'll talk about this outside. So myopia, or otherwise known as nearsightedness, is a common eye condition in which instead of your eyeball being actually perfect, it is actually elongated or longer, which hereby causes your image to be in front of the retina. It formed in front of it instead of on it. With hyperopia, the image actually formed behind the retina instead of fronting it. Causing every single object that you see far away to be clear,